In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about basic operators and input. Input is a function that allows you to uh, go on the terminal and then put that code into here. And the different types of operators are the subtraction sign, basically subtracts normally, subtracts, and this divides. This one divides. It's the slash one, and this the star, it multiplies. So it's gonna be like x, and then plus adds. We know that. And this one is exponential. If you want to say this code to the power of, you're gonna put these two. So you can put num1 to the power of number 2, and that's how that works. This one gets the remainder of it. If it's 5 divided by 2, that's going to, 5 to the n thing, 2 is going to be equal to 1, because 5 divided by 2 has a remainder of 1. That's the remainder operator. And this one is going to be almost like the other one, but it only gets the whole number. Let's say you do 11 divided by 5, and that's going to equal 2. You're not going to get 2.25 or something like that. It's just how many times can 5 fit into 11? It's 2 times. And we forget the the remainder. So next is here. So let's say we give num1 is equal to 2, and then num2 is equal to 4. Here you're going to do print. Actually, you're going to do the sum. The sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Yeah. So we're going to do here print sum. You're going to print sum, and then you go here and you run it, and we get 6. Well, that's good. So what we can try to do also is get input from it. You can use this thing so you can input something. So let's say you put a string in it, and you put choose a number, and then if you run that, it's gonna put choose a number and then forward. It's not gonna recall anything, read an error. So we can name num1 is equal to input of choose a number. So that's going to equal num1. And num2 is going to also equal it. Input choose another number. And then that's going to equal the sum, and then we're going to print the sum. Choose a number, 2. Choose another number, 7. 27. Okay, so here's where we get another error. We're gonna have to these, when you input something, it takes it as a string, and it doesn't take it as an integer. So here we're gonna have to delete this, and then we're gonna make int the int operator, and then inside of it we're gonna turn num1 into an integer. Right now, num1 is gonna be a string because of the input. But using the int operator, we can turn that into an integer. So if we put plus, again, int num2, because it used to be a string, then we should get it right. Okay, run the code, choose a number, 2, choose a number, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So that's that. And you can also do divided by, just simply change that. Choose a number, 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9.0. So that's going to be it for this one for basic operators and input.